Hello there, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to prove that sec pi over 2 minus theta is cosec theta, cosec pi over 2 minus theta is sec theta, and cot pi over 2 minus theta is tan theta. So to prove this, you need to know that hypotenuse over adjacent is sec theta, which is 1 over cos theta. Hypotenuse over the opposite is cosec theta, which is equal to 1 over sine theta, and adjacent over opposite is cot theta, which is equal to 1 over tan theta, which is equal to cos theta over sine theta. And what we're going to be doing is proving this over here with a geometric image. So what we need to do is create the unit circle, and we create the right angled triangle. 1 squared plus tan theta squared is equal to sec theta squared. We can say that this over here is true, as sec theta is hypotenuse over adjacent, which is equal to 1, and tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent, which is also equal to 1. So we have the angle here, theta. We have a right angled triangle, which means this angle here is pi over 2. And if these two angles over here add up to pi over 2, then this angle here is going to be pi over 2 minus theta. And we are going to use this to get these proofs just over here. So sec pi over 2 minus theta is equal to hypotenuse over adjacent, and that is sec theta over tan theta. This is going to give us 1 over cos theta times cos theta over sine theta. The cos thetas cancel each other out, and because 1 over sine theta is cosec theta, we get cosec theta. So we've proven that sec pi over 2 minus theta is equal to cosec theta. Moving on to the next one. Cosec pi over 2 minus theta is going to be hypotenuse over opposite. So that is hypotenuse sec theta over the opposite, which is 1. So what we get is simply sec theta. So we've proven this over here. Finally, cot pi over 2 minus theta is adjacent over opposite. Adjacent is tan theta, and opposite is equal to 1. So what we get is tan theta over 1, which is tan theta. So we've proven that cot pi over 2 minus theta is tan theta. So, in a nutshell, this is how you get all these proofs over here. If this video has been useful to you and you want more geometric proofs, make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. For regular mathematics proofs, follow mathematics.proofs on Instagram. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.